I am so excited to teach you one of my favorite techniques, the French knot. So a French knot is a small textured embroidery knot that adds some charming raised detail to your fabric. It's created by wrapping the thread around the needle and poking it back down close to where it came up. Now this technique is a must-have for so many embroidery designs. Let me show you some examples of French knots in my patterns. Here in my beginner pattern, Blooming Lovely, we use French knots to create these lovely flowers and to fill the centers of these roses. In this pattern here, called Festive Alphabet, which is great for confident makers, we've used French knots in a similar way to add details to the flowers. And in this pattern, the Treehouse, which is for super confident makers, we use French knots to fill the trees with an amazing shaded effect. Isn't that so cool? Now, learning this technique might feel a bit tricky as a beginner, but just trust me and follow my exact method. Keep practicing, don't give up, and before you know it, you'll be making awesome progress and creating your own French knots. Okay, now it's time for you to learn the French knot technique.